Hello, welcome. It's Rebecca Packard. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Happy Friday. Yay! And for those of you in my area, happy kickoff to vacation or staycation. We're like, what can we do for staycation? It'll be fantastic. So I'm so glad that each and every one of you are taking time out to meditate, to show up, to create calm in the chaos of life, and to create balance each and every day. It's so important that we're showing up and utilizing self-help, self-care tools each and every day. A lot of people will start a practice and then they're like, they wean off. But part of the beauty of showing up each day at 2 in this meditation is we're a community of people that are coming together and utilizing this practice. We're supporting each other, and each time we show up, we're pulling other people to say, oh, I'm here. Are you here? I'm here again. Are you participating again? Are you doing meditation again? Because it's like a support team, right? We're holding each other accountable. We're like accountability buddies for meditation. And so it's really fantastic that each of you are taking the time out each day to do this and to check in and to say hello and to hop on and hold space together. It also helps you to stay in your practice. It helps you to show up and to be invigorated by doing it. It's funny how we work like that, like humans. But I digress. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, let's hop into the meditation. So whether you're sitting at your table or your desk, maybe you're sitting on your kitchen floor, whatever you're doing, allow yourself to come to seated position and allow yourself to take 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Fantastic. And allow your breath to go back to its natural state of being, its natural rhythm. And allow yourself to see yourself move through 6 scenes that bring you peace. 6 spaces that bring you peace, that fill you with inner peace. Allow yourself to completely embrace these spaces. Allow yourself to feel them with all of your senses and to completely show up in these spaces mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. As you move through to the final space, the 6th space, allow yourself to see yourself standing in your yard. Allow yourself to see your feet bare on the ground and to see roots coming from your feet and going into the ground, going down deep into the earth, going out to the sides and into the earth, and creating this large, round circle like a net reaching into the ground. Strong, deep roots reaching in with thousands of little offshoots of roots. And allow yourself to feel the strength of that and to let any energy that is not of your highest and greatest good be released out into the earth. And also any energy that might need to be taken for you to be grounded, for you to feel whole, for you to feel connected. Ask that that be given to you. Ask that you support each other in that space right now. And at the same time, reach your hands up into the sky. Reaching up to the sun and reaching as far as you can, stretching. So you're reaching far into the sky and your roots are reaching down into the earth. And feel the strength that your body has. Feel the stability that you have with those roots, but feel the freeness of reaching for the sky and the openness. And allow yourself to just be in that space for a minute. Allow yourself to just hold that pose for a moment. Really just embracing the feeling that comes from this stance. Feel the warm sun on your skin. Feel the cool air in the breeze. Hear the birds around you. And just take in the peace of this moment. Take in the calm that's all around you. And know that your foundation is sound, that you are strong. And even being in peace, you are strong. And allow yourself to lock that in with 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. And allow yourself to just roll your shoulders. Feel yourself waking up from that meditation. Stretch your arms up high to the sky. And allow yourself to just say, I am wide awake in this moment, and even in peace, I have a strong foundation, and I am committed to my purpose. Yes! Fantastic. I'm so glad that you're taking time out today to show up in this space of self-care and self-preservation and self-love. You guys, anything we want outside of us has to come from inside of us first. We have thousands of people who talk about you can't fill from an empty cup. You can't give from an empty pocket. And it's so true. And all of that starts in the space of having a balanced mental, physical, and emotional space. The more balanced you are when you show up in life, physically, mentally, and emotionally sound and strong and healthy and well, it allows you to just show up so much more. And as so many of you that plug in and tune in each and every day are huge in the space of wanting to give to everyone around you, wanting to show up as this presence to so many around you, and to give gifts of Reiki and meditation and yoga and coaching and healing and all these things. We have firefighters, healthcare workers, all of you do so many things in so many different spaces, and there's such an eclectic group of people here, and it's so amazing to see you all come together in such a way. But you all need to be giving yourself that space for that foundation so that you can be strong in the growth that you have. So you are giving from a full cup. So you are giving and receiving in balance so that you are just as strong in the space, and you are giving strong energy, because there's nothing worse than giving somebody like shriveled up raisin energy. It's just not good. No one really wants to receive that, right? So the energy that you're holding and that you're able to give is so much better when you're showing up to your own personal peace process, to your own personal self-care practices and rituals. So I love that each of you take this time and you show up in this space and you practice these tools, and that you're showing up in the gathering with Rebecca Packard, and you're receiving from the lovely practitioners that show up in that space. We have some that jump on each and every day for the meditation, like Jessica Marshall, who shares on the first Sunday of every month. She does Reiki, and she shares her gift with everyone in the community. And we have so many other people in that space that are sharing their gifts, and it's just a space where you can recharge. So if you're not part of that community, come to that space. You can search it in your Facebook search, little search thing at the top of the page. If you are part of that community, make sure to be engaged, set your notifications so you know when there's a live taking place, so you can plug in and you can receive that. You can always go back and watch the replays and still receive that goodness. And then if you are called to, please share this. Invite others to participate in the meditation that we do each and every day. We're here live Tuesday through Friday. We are holding intention on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, but we are setting our alarm on our phone and we're showing up at full distance in that space to tune into that energy. And if you feel called to, and you love the meditation that you've heard, you can download the link on my YouTube channel in the next 24 to 48 hours. You can go right over to YouTube, to my YouTube channel, and you can download this meditation. It will be there. Fantastic. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you again on Tuesday.